performing an obstetrical exam. She's post-date. oligohydramnion, calcification of placenta. Fetus is viable. Fetal heart positive. Cephalic presentation. But our case today is this structure, which resembling a cystic mass in the fetal abdomen. As for anatomical guide, this is the heart, this is the air bubble inside the fluid inside the stomach, and here is the bladder, and this is our lesion, which is right fetal kidney shows hydronephrosis. You can say it's moderate hydronephrosis. This is the calyx, and here is the kidney cortex. Fetal kidney also enlarged in size comparing with the normal left one. This is mostly a case of congenital PUJ structure, and it's need to follow up in postnatal care. For a cross section, again is the kidney, cortex, calyx, and renal pelvis, which is severely dilated and fluid filled. And here is the healthy, I'm trying to visualize the left kidney, but the shadow of the spine superimposing. Here is the healthy left kidney, and this is the hydronephrosis right kidney. It was a case of congenital PUJ structure in post-term fetus. Thank you for watching.